Hello, garden friends. As a gardener in my youth, I blundered through many a season only to learn exactly what not to do. Luckily, I had some kind neighbors and family members who offered sound advice that jump-started my success. That is exactly why I share these tips with you every week to help you reduce your blunder factor. Gardening is often learned through trial and error, but it is much cheaper to learn from someone else's mistakes. Today, we are diving into the 7 rookie mistakes we all make, and more importantly, how you can fix them. First up, accepting free plants. It is tempting when you are starting out, but free plants often come with more work than free puppies. There is an old saying, first year they sleep, second year they creep, third year they leap. Before you know it, those free gifts have taken over, and you are the one trying to give them away. Next, be careful with your compost pile. We often pull weeds after they have already started to flower. While it is easy to toss them in the compost, remember that a single garlic mustard plant can produce over 600 seeds. A vigorous weed can drop over 7,000. I recommend putting all weeds and infected plants directly into the garbage. Keep your compost for vegetable scraps and trimmings so you aren't actively reseeding your garden with trouble. Mistake number 3 is reaching for the spray too quickly. You must identify the problem first. If your red-tipped photinia has powdery mildew, an insecticide will not help because that is a fungal issue, not a bug problem. If you are unsure, bring a sample into us here at Waters Garden Center, and we will help you identify it. This leads right into ignoring a plant's likes and dislikes. Plants will not thrive if they are unhappy with the sun exposure or soil quality. While 1 or 2 special needs plants are fine to dote on, filling your garden with the wrong plants in the wrong place is a recipe for frustration. We are all suckers for plants in flower. We put those beautiful blooms right at the checkout because they are hard to resist. However, many of those plants are already at their peak, and their beauty may fade shortly after you get them home. It is better to have a mix of plants for the entire season, including those late bloomers that look fabulous later on. Also, never plant before you clear the weeds. It is tempting to get the new plants in the ground and clean up later, but the weeds will only get worse and go to seed while you wait. If you are short on time, try putting down newspaper covered with shredded cedar bark to smother those weeds first. Finally, avoid divot planting. There is a myth that burying a plant in a deep hole helps collect rainwater, but this can actually drown the plant during heavy August rains or March snows. Plants should be at garden level or just slightly above to ensure optimal drainage. If you have questions about a mistake you made this season or need help with a problem plant, come see me at Waters Garden Center. I am here all week in Prescott to help you find those proven performers that let you sit back and actually enjoy your garden. Until next time, I'm Ken Lane, the Mountain Gardener. Happy gardening.